All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab is in the house, and today I'm in the house with the beast. Guys, this is the Shirogorov Custom Division 111 Titanium Bronze Dama Steel blade here with me for a quick maintenance video. There's no need to maintain this fella right now because it's just... Guys, this is amazing. But anyways, don't forget to like this video if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And you know what, why don't you leave me in the comments down below your thoughts about this fella and your thoughts about the interiors of this guy, which I am going to open it up right now with this tool right over here. You can pull this off with a regular screwdriver, but I kind of suggest you doing it with the proper tool, which is this guy. I know it's a $200 screwdriver. I know it's not fun. It's not nice to spend an extra 200 bucks to take down your knife, but I mean, it's part of the fun. At the same time, you are buying something really, really expensive. And 200 bucks, if you're buying this, it's not going to be much. I mean, compared to the price you're paying, it's crazy, I know, but again, it's part of the fun. So at the beginning I was reluctant, but then I invested a little bit of money in Shirogorov, and it makes 100% sense. I'm constantly using these tools, and they help me keep the hardware intact. So guys, here we have the Shirogorov Custom Division 111. This is a big boy. Actually, let me just do the other side like that. Just a gentle wiggle and pull the scale up like so, and boom, here you have it. Some of these roller bearings get stuck in here, not a biggie. Just take your time, be patient, don't you worry at all. Everything is gonna be fine. They're just roller bearings. So look at this, they are all out. Double check that nothing is left on the other side, and boom, these are out. Then just gonna grab this thing, and it's gonna be here. And this fella also can come actually out. No, okay, stay there, not a problem. We're gonna come with these tweezers and you're gonna come out. Look at that. And this guy is also out. And also these fellas are gonna be out in a second, ready to get cleaned. All right, so look at this, done. Pretty clean inside, because guess what? Yeah, I just cleaned it because I was curious to see what was going on the inside of this beast. I had some production version of the 111, never a custom division, and I have to say that, yeah, I'm impressed. It's a big boy for sure, but definitely I'm impressed. Let's just take a quick look on the inside. This is inset liner lock. You see, the liner is inset into the frame. And I mean, into the handle. I mean, it's just, look at this level of skeletonization. You got some weight reduction for sure going on right over here. Just a gorgeous one. All right, let's go ahead and clean up this mess. You know what? I'm just gonna do like the old puddle of alcohol like that. And I'm just gonna do this and go with my fingers and just to rub all of these mini tiny cylinders and the cages as well like that, and I will consider this clean. All right, I'm taking this microfiber cloth. I'm just gonna soak everything And this is pretty much done. I actually need to clean the blade. Let's just do it this way so nothing is dragged around. Blade is clean. The track for the bearing also is very nicely done, I have to say, and clean now. And that is it, guys. Let's do this. So to do this, look at this, boom. I'm using two set of tweezers. One's from Shiro and the other one are a little bit different, but I mean, it doesn't really matter. As long as you can do this stuff over here. You see like this, and this guy just pushes back. I'm doing it actually this way, so you can also enjoy this tedious process and quite long. You can, in these moments, you know, you can just select the YouTube speed to twice as fast. If you don't want to get bored by me, by my blabbering, as I'm putting these cylinders back, it's going to be a couple minutes. So probably, here you go. Come on. It's already long enough. And these guys, you see these little buggers, they don't want to be going right the first tentative into their slots, but it's okay. It's part of the deal. You know, that's the price you gotta pay to have one of the nicest action that there are around. In my opinion, Shirogorov on roller bearings is it's insane. Guys, this is what it is. It is nuts. It's my favorite action so far on a knife I've ever tried. I would say, yeah, roller bearings is just like something unique, something that you need to experience. You need to feel it in your hand. I mean, I can use adjectives to describe, but you can only know if you tried one. So I highly recommend to get one of these. Nano oil, 85 weight, 3 drops. Usually I'm using 10 weight for other knives, but in this case, 85 weight is the way to go. I'm just gonna move these fellas out of the way because I'm doing this thing right over here, and then I'm gonna sandwich that in so this guy can stay like that. And here, see, there's already the track, and that's why I'm doing it like this side first. There you go. So you need a little bit of patience, some precision, yeah, but you see, look at this, 3 times. They said the third time's a charm. No, actually it's the 4th. You need some patience and just not get frustrated by the process, because yeah, it can be tedious, but actually it's gonna train you to be more patient, more calm, more steady with your hands, and you can put on some nice music. When I'm not shooting a video and I'm just doing maintenance for myself, I find it really calming and really soothing in a way, just because it's, I don't know, you get into a different dimension kind of thing, and you start just getting in tune with the knife and just like, you know, trying to get the most out of your knife's action by fine-tuning it and just getting to know how tight the pivot is going to be, experimenting also with some different loops, for example, trying to really get to know your knife to a point where you can tell which lube is best for that knife in particular, and which lube is great for that detent of that knife. So you can experiment and just explore. So another 3 drops of 85 weight nano oil, and we are pretty much in business. I'm just going to do 1 drop, tiny drop right over here on the detent ball, and that is it, guys. Correct? Yeah, correct. This guy is going back like that. That's in. That is in. Let's do this first. We can always tweak at a second moment. But now we want these bearings just not to go anywhere. Correct? Correct. This is dialed in, by the way, so no worries. Just swap the bit. Correct? Yes. And let's do this like so. And this is in. You see, this guy can be like that. And we got the second one right over here and in as well. And look, we are pretty much done in what, 10 minutes? This yuck. It's too tight. I can already tell it's a little bit too tight. I'm just doing a little bit less tight. Kind of like that. Blade centered, yes. Oof, guys. What do you think about this? Look at this. This video could be over, but I'm deciding to enjoy with you guys this beautiful experience that is flipping the knife open and just enjoying as it closes in the handle. It is ridiculous, and it can be even faster like that, you see? But don't do it fast, just do it slow, because it's awesome. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.